Hello, this is Randy from Harmon Outdoors. Boy, has it been a warm one this summer. I'm sure it's been warm for everybody all over the United States. Again, I live up in the Appalachian Mountains, up in North Georgia, almost into North Carolina. But it's been a very warm summer. Today it got up to 98 degrees. We had a little shower a little bit ago, which dropped the temperature down a little bit. But the project we have today, my wife Rayanne was telling me she has a 2015 Subaru Outback, and when she's driving and driving good, the air conditioning is fantastic. But then she would tell me that when she comes to a stop sign or a red light, all of a sudden it'll start blowing warm air. And again, that was a couple weeks ago, and I kind of forgot about it until yesterday. Yesterday, the both of us were in the car, and I was in a suit, and we were driving around, and I came to a red light, and all of a sudden it started pushing out warm air. Warm air for probably 20 minutes. It got up to around 82 degrees inside the car. So I'm 99% sure it's probably a little bit low on Freon, and I'm going to show you how to hook it up, and we'll see, go inside. I'll turn the air conditioner wide open, show you what the temperature is outside from inside the car and what the temperature is inside the car with the AC on. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So right now I have the car on. I'm going to show you where to plug up for the AC to fill it up. Alright, the hood is open right now. Here's your high end for your AC conditioner. And here's your low end. But if you follow that all the way around, right here is your plug, the low end. So that's where we're going to hook it up to. Let's go ahead and look inside the car, and I'll show you that I have the AC on right now. Right now the outside air is 82 degrees. I have the AC wide open. So we're going to put some Freon in it and see if we can drop the temperature down. The one thing that you need to make sure, you can buy this at any auto place, or I bought this one at Walmart. This is a 134A. There's several different kinds, and what you need to do is go right here on every car. It's not in the same spot for every car, but it'll tell you for your air conditioner what kind of Freon it takes. And again, this is a 134A. This one is from SuperTech. It also is a leak sealer and conditioner. I'm gonna unscrew for my low end. You just unscrew that. This snaps on right where that plug was. And there's a gauge right here. On this gauge, you have to make sure you keep it in the green, not in the red. Once I hook it up, you turn this counterclockwise, and then push down, turn the can sideways, and shake it. And watch the gauge very closely so you can keep it inside the green. But you also have to have your AC on, of course, so it draws the Freon into your car. I put the Freon inside the AC unit. This is the outside temperature, which is 82 degrees. I have a thermometer in here, which right now it's showing 50 degrees, and the temperature is actually coming down. It should come down almost to like 40. Well, that's it. I went ahead, put the AC in. It really showed the temperature dropped down from 82 to went down to 40 inside the car. So that's plenty cool enough. Again, this product I bought at Walmart from SuperTech. They're not sponsoring me at all, but I use a lot of SuperTech's products, starting fluid and a bunch of other different products from SuperTech. But that's it. That should keep us going for quite a while, hopefully the next couple of years before we go ahead and sell it. But I hope everybody is enjoying their summer. Please, if you would, make a comment if you would like. Go down also and subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos. There's going to be a lot more coming out. I had a fusion done on my spine 7 weeks ago now, on my L4, L5. I also made a video of that, so if anybody is having any back problems where they're going to be going to have surgery done on their back, please look at that video, because it shows 6 weeks of me week by week letting everybody know what I personally am going through after I had the surgery of the fusion done on my L4, L5. But again, I hope everybody has a wonderful day, had a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much from Harmon Outdoors. Bye-bye.